Hi guys, thanks once again for viewing my videos. I really appreciate the support and the interest in my research. Now this video is spectacular and the footage is magnificent. Now there's lots of different angles, lots of different areas on the moon, different depths of view, field. I have 100 millimeters, 200 millimeters, 400 millimeters, etc., all the way to 800 millimeters. So enjoy the view and just a little update on my efforts on trying to obtain the ground level of the moon. I was able to. The structures are plentiful, they are very colorful, and I will soon be able to show you some magnificent photos of the moon, which are lower than the big structures that we are seeing. It is thought that there are several sources for gases in the moon's atmosphere. These include high-energy photons and solar wind particles knocking atoms from the lunar surface, chemical reactions between the solar wind and lunar surface material, evaporation of surface material, material release from the impacts of comets and meteoroids, and outgassing from the moon's interior. But which of these sources and processes are important on the moon? We still don't know. With the discovery of significant ice deposits at the moon's poles by NASA's Lunar Crater Observation and Sensing Satellite and Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, the missions, and the discovery of a thin scattering of water molecules in the lunar soil by Chandrayaan X-ray Observatory, another fascinating possibility has captured researchers' interest. The moon's atmosphere may play a key role in a potential lunar water cycle, facilitating the transport of water molecules between polar and lower latitude areas. The moon may not only be wetter than we once thought, but also more dynamic. There are many pipes and tunnels on the surface of the moon, but who says that it's people actually entering these pipes or tunnels? It could be a drainage system, it could be water. NASA did say that water molecules are being transformed from the polar top parts of the moon to other areas of the moon. So this could be plausible. There's one thing that really makes me happy. The fact that there could be a species inhabiting the moon right now, a modern species, a very advanced species, or whether it be humans that were sent there on secret missions, space programs, etc. I know for a fact that I'm very happy the fact that they are able to live there, because life will go on here on Earth. I always wondered, how long would the human race, the human species, be here? How long could we be here? For another 1,000 years? Another 50 years? It's always a gamble. We can never know the future. Not this way, that's for sure. And it's proof that Earth will go on even if there's another ice age here, as it proves also that it most definitely did in the past. So people were living here in tunnels on Earth long ago, and it's why we see many caves that have skeletons of both children, men and women, inside of the caves that are buried and are dated artifacts hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Some of them are thousands of years ago, AD. Okay, so it's just another part of a proof of the existence of other races on other planets. I mean, it's cold. Okay, well, it's, bundle up, make some tunnels, dig some holes, learn the sources of your planet, which gases are. I mean, there's so many sources on a planet that they can both probably make water and eat, but it's for the food. The food, I'd be very curious to know how a species on a planet like this would be able to eat if there wasn't anything like vegetation or animals, for example.